Nitong nakaraang Sabado, April 20, ay ipinagdiwang ni Kapuso star Sofia Pablo ang kanyang 18th birthday. Isang engranding debut ang ginanap sa Raffles Hotel sa Makati na dinaluhan ng malalapit nilang kaibigan sa loob at labas ng showbiz at mga mahal sa buhay. Tropical Summer ang naging theme ng okasyon. Panoorin ang mga bidyong na ibahagi.
Super baby. Saan may camera para I can shoot it? But yes, maganda na siya noon, magaling na siya noon, maganda pa rin naman siya, magaling pa rin naman siya. So, my goodness, what more, 5 years, 10 years from now? Oh my gosh, mas maganda pa, mas magaling pa for sure. Kaya Sophia, just keep up the good work. I won't even give you much advice other than to please take good care of yourself. Okay lang naman na.
And a very promising child running around her office. You used to visit us, you remember? No, but now you've blossomed into a fine young lady, so beautiful and very talented. So there is a big world to explore out there. So go out and spread your wings. I know you're going to achieve a lot. And kami naman, sabi nga ni Carla, mga fan club mo, so we will just root for you and we will be cheering you on.
And grateful kasi I know na we're all busy pero nakakataba ng puso na you all made time for my special day. And I couldn't be more grateful to have such a supportive management behind me, Sparkle, my GMA Network family, even the GMA creatives and bosses are here. And I'm just so thankful sa lahat ng mga co-workers ko. Ang dami nyo na nandito ngayon and umiiyak na ako. And then super thankful lang ako kasi alam ko na ang dami yung schedule. Yung mga AOS family ko, alam ko may AOS kayo tomorrow, pero you all made time for me tonight. I'm so thankful. Of course, mga iba pang mga kasama ko na hair and makeup na stylist, sa mga nakasama ko, to the directors, alam ko po ang busy-busy nyo, pero talagang nandito kayo ngayon. So, ayun, of course, to my parents, maraming salamat kasi yung mga sinabi nila tungkol sa akin na lumaki.
Dance for you this evening, sir. I'm kidding. Next, last of the 18. Yes, sir, Mr. Allen. Outside.
Happy birthday.
Opo.